BrandLoom enables brands and startups to resonate with their audience affordably and efficiently. Our mission is to apply branding, digital e-commerce, and design capabilities to enable startups and brands to develop world-class skills and abilities and meet consumers' needs efficiently. Our strategy is to focus on helping clients improve their operational performance, deliver their products and services more effectively and efficiently, and grow their businesses in existing and new markets globally. Values we cherish: integrity, honesty, cooperation, constant learning, and principled entrepreneurship are at the heart of everything we do and the way we operate. These values are enablers that help us achieve the fifth one, that is delivering results. Our value pyramid. The first one is the do the right thing. Integrity is the foundation for everything we do. We are admired and respected to our commitment to honesty, trust, and transparency. We do the right thing even when no one is watching. Second one is a depend on each other. Our aim is to ensure wins for everyone. We foster a culture where we can work as a team that works together to achieve our mutual goal. Third one is a develop self and others. The world is changing all the time. With constant learning, we are always evolving to do better and serve our customers better. Our aim is to create an ecosystem where our team and the clients can thrive and help each other prosper. Fourth one is a drive efforts like an entrepreneur. We value principled entrepreneurship and prioritize the customer above anything else. Like a true entrepreneur, we take accountability for our actions and learn from our past actions to make a better future. Fifth one is a deliver results as committed. So we put our customer first, and every decision we make is aimed to serve their needs and satisfy them. We bring our 100% to the table always and deliver the result that we promise. So my today's topic is a topic cluster for SEO and how to create a topic cluster. So what is a topic cluster in SEO? A topic cluster is a group of interlinked web pages. They are built around one piece of pillar content, targeting a broad topic linked to several related but more narrowly focused pages. So here topic cluster are interlinked pages to put different pieces of content relating to a particular subject. So this makes it easy for a target audience to find out the pages in our website, and that can help to boost organic traffic and engagement. So how to create a topic cluster? First one is understand the essential parts of a topic cluster. So topic cluster consists of three parts: pillar article, content cluster, and the hyperlinks. The first one is a pillar article. The first step in building topic cluster by identifying what you want in your blog or a brand to be known for. This would serve as your topic cluster primary focus. So topic pillar article, the topic should be general and in-depth, so as it will be broken down into different subtopics later on. So second one is a content cluster. The content clusters are a subtopic of a pillar article and are usually shorter blog posts and other kinds of content. So in content cluster, we can select the content clusters which gives a particular subsections of a pillar article in more detail. So third one is a hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are essential in a topic clusters because they connect the pillar article to the content clusters and vice versa, making it easy for visitors to navigate your website. This helps encourage your visitors to explore your site further. So in a hyperlink, linking the pages internally which can boost your search rankings, because it shows on a Google that you have a lots of content on a particular topic. So here is the example of a topic cluster. There are three parts. First one is a pillar content, cluster content, and hyperlink. So here we can consider an example as a pillar content. Can consider the topic like a digital marketing guide. The digital marketing guide will be the pillar content, and the types of digital marketing or modules of a digital marketing will be the cluster content, that is a SEO, social media, Google Ads, email marketing, that is a cluster content. And the hyperlinks are the links we can enter a link to the cluster content and pillar content. So second one is a conduct a content audit. Running a content audit gives detailed list of all the content you have already published on a website. You can then group content pieces that talk about a particular topic and then link them to each other to create a topic cluster. So here, by organizing content, visitor can find related content easily, which encourages them to keep reading. And with the help of content audit, you can remove the duplicate content. So third one is identify the main topics and subtopics. So identifying the and choosing the main topic and subtopic is crucial when you create your content. It should be broad enough to give you several subtopics to talk about. So here you have to make sure that which topic you have selected that your target audience wants to find, and which allows you to organize the existing content based on a content audit. Fourth one is a strategize subtopics. When it comes by to choosing the subtopics, think about all the questions your buyer persona will have about your chosen topic. Focusing on readers when choosing subtopics ensures you are creating the content that is relevant and helpful to them. So here, to strategize the subtopics, you can check comment section of your blog post or YouTube comment section. If you have a video, then you can check the reviews on Google My Business or social media, and you can ask the questions to the visitors through the social media, so it can get to know that how users or visitors thinks and what kind of information they want. So fifth one is a conduct keyword research. Google now prefers topic based content. That doesn't mean that you should ditch keywords altogether. People use long tail keywords when searching for a product, services, or information online. So if you want to increase your search rankings, you need to choose your keywords carefully. So here we can choose long tail keywords or LSI keywords. LSI keywords is the words or phrases that Google sees as related to topic. With the help of keywords, which will helps to find out more pages and keywords that on a SERP page. You can find the keywords on a search related to section on a SERP page. So sixth one is a map your existing content into your topic cluster. So mapping out existing content into topic clusters organizes your post so that visitors to your website can easily navigate through it. Use internal links to help you achieve this. So here, mapping the link to the related content which guides visitors and which gives signals to Google that website is well established in services, and so user can find what they want, and it can increase organic traffic, conversions, and search rankings. So seventh one is identify content gaps. Find subtopics within your topic clusters that you haven't created content for. Filling these content gaps give your site more credibility on the topic. So here we can take an example of content gaps like a social media marketing. Suppose we have a pillar article on social media marketing with a content cluster on Instagram marketing and a Facebook marketing. But we are not posting on Twitter marketing and LinkedIn marketing. So here we have to fill the gap by posting on Twitter marketing and LinkedIn marketing. So eighth one is create a content creation strategy to fill the gaps. When creating content, focus on how your brand adds value to your audience, comes with a few more core topics on what you are known for or what you want to highlight. Mapping out the content ensures that you create content that matters to your audience. For two ways on how to make sure that the content appeals both humans and search engines. The first one is a properly structure your content. So you have to decide what you want to talk about, choose a specific topic from the audience perspective, and after choosing the topic, divide it into small topic for entire content. So second one is write your content just like how you talk. So here you can create a content that is easier to understand to visitors, so visitors will not turn off to your website. 10th one is monitor your result. Even though creating topic cluster can boost your organic reach and site traffic, you still need to keep a close one on each content you publish. That's why, despite all the planning you have done, some of the content you have published will perform better than others. So there are several tools to monitor content performance that we can use Google Analytics, Google Search Console to analyze the performance of content, like from where audience is coming from, their engagement, their traffic sources, like is they are coming from the organic or other channels like social media, on which pages they are dropping, and how many page views are there, and why they are dropping from our website. We can also check the bounce rate in this, so which can give idea about to improve content's search rankings. So the conclusion is, it is essential to make sure that your target audience finds your content helpful, informative, and entertaining. That way, your visitors are encouraged to stay on your website longer. This, in turn, the topic cluster will help to boost SEO rankings, drive more organic traffic, and increase conversions. Thank you.